Dear learners, let's talk about the evolution of technologies used in human resource management function, because this is really a fascinating journey throughout the history, showing how organizations moved from paper files for record keeping to artificial intelligence, predictive analytics, and even to digital employee experiences. Just as technology transformed business nature of manufacturing and supply chains, it also completely changed the way organizations hire, develop, engage, and manage their people. It all started in the late 1800s and early 1900s during the Industrial Revolution. As factories grew larger and employed hundreds or even thousands of workers, organizations realized they needed a dedicated function to manage employees. At that time, there were no HR systems, computers, or software. Everything was maintained manually in paper registers. Employee attendance, wages, working hours, and employment records were written by hand. The focus was mainly administrative, ensuring workers were paid correctly and labor regulations were followed. Moving into the 1920s and 1930s, organizations began introducing punch card systems and mechanical time clocks. These devices allowed workers to record their attendance more accurately. Instead of manually noting arrival and departure times, employees inserted a card into a machine that stamped the time automatically. This may seem simple today, but it was one of the first examples of technology being used in workforce management. As we entered the 1950s and 1960s, another major transformation arrived with the introduction of computers. Large organizations started using mainframe computers to process payroll. Here, payroll calculations that previously took days or even weeks could now be completed much faster and with fewer errors. Employee information started moving from paper files into digital records. This was the beginning of HR technology as we know it today. In the 1970s, organizations started developing personnel information systems. These were early versions of what we now call HRIS, or Human Resource Information Systems. Companies used these systems to store employee records, manage payroll data, and maintain workforce information electronically. Although these systems were basic compared to modern platforms, they significantly improved accuracy and efficiency. The 1980s marked the rise of personal computers in the workplace. As computers became more affordable, HR departments started using software applications for employee record management, payroll processing, and workforce administration. During this period, organizations began moving away from purely paper-based HR operations, and spreadsheet software, such as Microsoft Excel, has become widely used for workforce planning and HR reporting. Then came the 1990s, a decade that completely transformed human resources through the emergence of enterprise resource planning systems, commonly known as ERP systems. Solutions such as SAP and Oracle helped to integrate HR function with finance, procurement, and other business functions. For the first time, organizations could manage employee information, payroll, benefits, and workforce data within a centralized platform. Around the same time, rapid developments in internet technologies began changing how organizations communicated with employees and candidates. Companies started posting jobs online instead of relying solely on newspapers and recruitment agencies. As we entered the era of year 2000 onwards, human resources became increasingly digital. This was the era when human resource information systems, human resource management systems, and human capital management platforms gained widespread adoption. Organizations began implementing solutions that managed employee records, leave requests, performance reviews, and benefits administration through digital systems. Recruitment also underwent a major transformation with the introduction of applicant tracking systems. Companies could now post jobs online, collect applications electronically, and manage recruitment workflows much more efficiently. The late 2010s and in early 2020s witnessed the rise of cloud computing. Instead of maintaining HR software on company servers, organizations began adopting cloud-based platforms such as Workday, SAP SuccessFactors, and Oracle HCM. This changed everything. Employees could access HR services from anywhere. Managers could approve requests remotely. HR leaders gained real-time workforce visibility across multiple countries and business units. Employee self-service and manager self-service portals became common, empowering employees to manage many HR transactions independently. The 2010s also saw the rapid growth of learning management systems and digital learning platforms. Organizations realized that workforce skills needed constant development in a rapidly changing business environment. Platforms like Cornerstone LMS, LinkedIn Learning, Degreed, and Udemy Business enabled employees to learn anytime and anywhere. Instead of attending only classroom training programs, employees could access thousands of digital courses, certifications, and personalized learning journeys. At the same time, social media has transformed recruitment. Platforms like LinkedIn changed how organizations found and attracted talent. Recruiters could proactively search for candidates, build talent pipelines, and strengthen employer branding through digital channels. Video interviewing platforms also emerged, allowing organizations to interview candidates remotely and reduce hiring cycle times. As we moved into the late 2010s, data and analytics became increasingly important. Organizations began using HR analytics to understand workforce trends, employee engagement, turnover risks, and leadership readiness. Instead of making decisions based on intuition alone, HR leaders started relying on dashboards, predictive models, and workforce intelligence. Tools like Power BI, Tableau, and SAP People Analytics enabled organizations to transform employee data into actionable insights. Then came the 2020s, which accelerated digital transformation in human resources like never before. The COVID-19 pandemic forced organizations to adopt remote work technologies, virtual onboarding, digital collaboration tools, and cloud-based HR systems at an unprecedented scale. Employee experience platforms, digital well-being solutions, and virtual learning environments became critical components of HR strategy. This decade also marked the rapid rise of artificial intelligence in HR. AI-powered recruitment systems began screening resumes, matching candidates to jobs, and predicting hiring success. Chatbots started answering employee questions around the clock. Learning platforms used AI to recommend personalized development opportunities. Performance management systems began identifying high-potential employees and predicting future leadership capabilities. Today, organizations are also exploring generative AI technologies, such as ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Gemini, and Claude. HR professionals are using these tools to create job descriptions, generate learning content, draft policies, analyze employee feedback, and support workforce planning. What once required hours of manual effort can now be accomplished in minutes. We are also entering the era of Agentic AI, where intelligent systems do not simply answer questions, but can perform tasks autonomously. Imagine an HR assistant that schedules interviews, coordinates onboarding activities, identifies skill gaps, recommends training programs, and follows up with managers automatically. That future is already beginning to emerge. Looking ahead, technologies like digital humans, virtual reality training, blockchain-based credential verification, skills-based talent marketplaces, and predictive workforce planning will continue to reshape the HR profession. Organizations are moving towards skill-based workforce models, where opportunities are determined not only by job titles, but by demonstrated capabilities and verified skills. So, in a nutshell, we have traveled from paper registers and manual attendance tracking in the early 1900s to artificial intelligence, predictive analytics, cloud platforms, and autonomous HR systems in the 2020s. Each technological advancement has made HR more efficient, more strategic, and more employee-centric. And the journey is far from over. Just as supply chains are moving toward autonomous operations, HR is moving toward intelligent, data-driven, and AI-powered workforce management. The future HR professional will not spend most of their time on administration. Instead, they will focus on strategy, employee experience, workforce planning, and creating value through technology-enabled people management.